In today's video, I'll show you how to check your Cloudflare DNS quickly and easily. First, log into your Cloudflare account and go to your dashboard. Select the domain you want to check. Then click the DNS tab. This is where all your domains records live. Here you will see a complete list of DNS records including CNAME, MX, TXT and more. A records map your domain to an IP address. CNAME records alias one domain to another, and MX records handle email routing. Understanding these helps you maintain your website's functionality and security. From this dashboard, you can edit outdated records, delete ones you no longer need, or add new ones. Cloudflare allows real-time updates, so changes propagate quickly across the internet, keeping your site accessible with minimal downtime. And that's it. By navigating your DNS tab in Cloudflare, you can monitor and manage your domain's critical settings efficiently.